Welcome to Sasco, folks. I'm Fred, your friendly neighborhood pavement expert. Make yourself at home. You've parked in the right spot. We are the Midwest's professional pavement resource, ready to take you on a ride down the smoothest asphalt. We are focused on building the perfect base with heavy-duty sealers to keep your surfaces protected. We stick to commercial refined tar, asphalt emulsion, and acrylic polymers-based sealers. Got a little crack in your lot? We've got the materials to fix it right up, tackling cracks and patching. We deliver commercial-grade sealants and fillers for long-lasting performance, including crack filling, patching, and general seal coating. Unmatched visibility is key. Our Star and RAE brand paints are sharp, bright, and durable, ensuring those lines bring the house down. Come get outfitted with top-tier tools for professional results. You can't do a professional job with just a bucket and your bare hands. We offer a full range of professional equipment and supplies. Everybody loves keeping a little extra folding money in their pocket. Check out Fred's Bargain Stash for deals on commercial-grade materials and equipment. I always have a deal somewhere. Well, folks, the chickens have come home to roost. Home is where the heart is, and our heart is in protecting your pavement. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the road.